Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks, talk about dry fasting, and this is my 7th day on a 7th-day dry fast. And boy, am I exhausted. Tired and ready to go. And I schedule these things in the evening so that I can end in the evening. So tonight, which is Saturday night, I'll break the fast, film that, and show you guys tomorrow morning. But today is a big day. Today is the day that all the stem cells that have been busy in interphase fixing themselves get nutrition to start replicating like crazy. This is a free endogenous stem cell regeneration and infusion that would cost you $25,000 outside the country. And that's only one type of stem cell. This is all your niches all at once. Your entire body's being rejuvenated. That's what a dry fast does. You can spend a lot of money, or you can take a week and do it yourself and save not just $25,000. If you want them all done, you're talking about $100,000 or more. So it's a big savings. So today, and God, it is pretty out there. Today it is a wonderful day. I get to drink my wonderful coconut water, and I get to show you guys that this is really possible. It's not that tough. I am ready to shave. I mean, my beard is so big now. That's right. And no, I don't like beards, so I don't relish this. But it's one of the things I do because it shows you I really did it, for one. And there's a really good feeling of taking that first shower after one of these things. Anyway, it's not a lot to do today. Everything's been done. Parasites are done. Debris has been relieved. The, forever chemicals have been ground up. And you're going to eliminate them later today. So it's like, this is the day, man. Last night was so hard. I tossed and turned and tried. The fan didn't work. I brought in my computer with some relaxing meditation music. That didn't work. Nothing worked. I just had to, struggle through it and get to here. And wow, look at waves out there. Oh man, can't wait to try out my new wetsuit. Anyway, so that's it. The fast is done. I'll end it tonight. I'll show you how to do it correctly. And I went from 154.5 to 138. That's 16 pounds, 16 and a half pounds in 7 days. I know you can do this. So anyway, I love you guys for tuning in and following me on this. Thank you for all the appreciation you've shown for me doing this for you. And I'm going to go just sit here and enjoy this beautiful sunrise. God, it's so nice. I see some surfers out there down the line there. Yeah, okay, I'll be out. All right, I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.